It's almost science fair time again, and here to shed some light on ways that all ages can grow from the challenge of a science experiment is Metro Mom Barb Arneden. Hi, Barb.
Hello.
So science experiments were one of my favorite things in school. At what ages did kids start off doing science experiments? Because I can't remember about
well, kids are born with an innate curiosity, and they really love to explore. And even when they start talking, you hear all the why questions. Why is water wet? Why do bubbles float? Why does it rain?
Right.
So as soon as they show curiosity, you can start kind of help guiding them and doing natural experiences that you can do in your kitchen, or you can go out and get some.
Fun. That really kind of helps get the creative juices flowing for when they when they're required to do it for school.
Right, right. Around age 5 and 6, they start to ask how. And then when they get a little bit older into 8, 9, 10, 11, they start to really observe. They become aware of the world around them, and then they want to learn about cause and effect. So each stage is a little bit different.
Nice. So you've got 2 little experiments that you can show us how to do at home.
These are really fun, and they're very easy to do with things that you have at home. First is a volcano. I've got this stripped down a little bit for demo, but this is just an empty water bottle. I've got some warm water in it. And you can actually find a recipe for dough, Play-Doh, and mold that around this bottle to actually make the volcano part. Okay. You add your baking soda there, and just kind of make sure that goes in.
Nice. And you said that was just warm water?
That was warm water.
Okay.
Add a little bit of dish detergent to it.
Nice.
Now, vinegar. And if you want to add some color to it, this is just red food coloring.
And maybe wear a smock or something,
Maybe
right?
wear a smock. I've kind of tried to protect the table and just start pouring the vinegar. I'm going to go real slow.
Okay.
For these, you don't have to stand by that.
Are you sure? Okay.
You're making me nervous. And there you go. You can see the effect. Now,
cool.
I'm not going to go too far with that, but the soap gives it the bubbles. The food coloring gives it some of the color there. And then the baking soda reacts with the vinegar.
How neat. So it's a good chance to talk to them about the way chemicals react with each other, a little basic chemistry lesson.
Right, some cause and effect there. That's probably not going to say.
How neat.
Another one that's a lot of fun, and even young kids can do, because these are all very safe materials. This is called cream art. And this is heavy whipping cream, which, as you know, has a very high fat content. Now, you let them have a lot of fun with some food coloring, just a few drops, wherever they want to put them. And what you're going to explain is how the fat content is going to be heavier than the liquid. And when you add something that breaks down fat, such as dish detergent, it makes the fat break down, look at that, and move through the liquid part. Can you see that?
Yeah, it just disperses the food coloring.
So they can have a lot of fun with that.
That's a neat lesson.
Isn't that neat?
Well, so for some of us that maybe aren't as creative to put these together on our own, there are some kits that we could get and buy that are pre-made.
There are some great, great kits. For the younger kids, I really like the Young Scientist Club. This is made by Scholastic. Those are names that parents today really recognize. For example, this one is called Dig for Real Fossils, and it does have real fossils in it, but it comes with a magnifying glass and this block here and tools to chisel through it.
Ooh,
and they're going to find actual real fossils in here, shark teeth and rocks and things like that. These all come with learning guides. The larger kits come with multiple experiments. So it's like a science class, a semester's worth of science classes in a box. Those
so if you're on spring break, that might be a good thing to buy because you've got experiments that you could do all week long.
And for the older kids, I love Smithsonian products. Now these are actually made by NSI International, and they are made with Smithsonian scientists. So they write educational guides to go with them. This one has 6 different experiments. It's called the Mega Science Lab. They have microscopes with everything you need to make your own slides or pre-made slides. Again, a lot of fun, a lot of education, and something that parents can work with the kids.
For year, you know, as they grow year after year. Well, these were really neat. Thank you so much, Barb. I love this. I'm going to make another volcano during the break. Well, you got to check out Barb's website, metroplexbaby.com. It's a fantastic resource for parents that have kids of all ages.